Here's how I preserve watermelon for 1 year. It's even better than fresh. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Do you believe that a watermelon can retain its sweetness, bright red color, and cool crunch all year long without refrigeration? It sounds unbelievable, but with just a few familiar ingredients and a little secret, you can turn this summer fruit into a dish or drink that can be enjoyed at any time. Not only that, watermelon can also transform into many different versions, from jars of sweet and sour pickles to each piece of frozen watermelon that is as cool and crispy as fruit ice cream, or even a special melon conditioner that helps preserve the full flavor of the summer sun. Here's how I preserve watermelon for 1 year. It's even better than fresh. Watch until the end to learn how to keep watermelons as delicious as if they were just picked from the garden, regardless of whether it's a cold winter or a wet, rainy season outside. Today, I'll show you a way to preserve them that's both delicious and safe, guaranteed to delight everyone who tries them. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Prepare 1 watermelon. First, wash the rind thoroughly with baking soda to remove dirt and bacteria. Then, rinse with water until clean. Use a clean towel to dry the watermelon. Cut the watermelon into round slices. Then divide into small triangles. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Arrange on a plate to prepare for the next step. Next, prepare a clean and dry glass jar with a capacity of 2 liters. Put the cut watermelon in the jar. Boil water, then fill the jar. Leave it for 15 minutes to sterilize the jar. After sterilization, pour out this water. Continue to pour boiling water. Add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper to each jar. 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. These spices will help the watermelon have a characteristic aroma, stimulating the taste buds. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar to each jar to balance the flavor. A few peeled garlic cloves to enhance the aroma. 1 tablespoon of salt to preserve. 30 milliliters of vinegar to create a slightly sour taste and help kill bacteria. Then close the lid tightly. The lid must be completely screwed on. Absolutely no air is allowed in, because if it does, it will easily spoil the product. Let the jars cool at room temperature, 20 to 24 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 24 hours. After that, you can store them in a cool, dark place. If the storage conditions are correct, the watermelon will retain its quality for up to 1 year. Where I live, most families have a cool cellar below or above ground, and that is the ideal place to store these jars of pickled watermelon. Remember, if you skip or do any steps wrong, the product may be spoiled. Tip 2. Did you know that when frozen, watermelon can become 10 times more delicious? If you've ever bought a big watermelon but couldn't finish it and worried about how to preserve it, these tips will help you solve the problem in a simple way. Cut the watermelon into bite-sized pieces. Put in stainless steel box. Cover tightly with plastic wrap and place in the freezer. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Peel off the plastic wrap and you have a very special sweet and cool dish. You can eat it directly. Or even better, remove the green skin, then use a grater to finely grate the flesh. Add a little lemon juice or a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Garnish with parsley leaves. You can also enjoy frozen watermelon straight from the freezer. It's crunchy, sweet, and refreshing, just like ice cream. With just a few simple steps, you can preserve watermelon for a long time and have many delicious refreshments. Tip 3. First, peel the melon. cut the melon into small pieces. Put the melon flesh into a blender and puree. Next, squeeze the juice from half a lemon to help preserve it longer and keep the color bright. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. We only need to cook for about 5 minutes. While the water is still hot, pour it immediately into clean and dry glass bottles. Cover tightly and let. Important note, the bottle cap must be tightly screwed on. Absolutely do not let air in, otherwise the product will be damaged. Cool at room temperature for 20 to 24 hours. This way, you can preserve the melon juice in a cool place for 1 year. Whenever you want to enjoy it, just open it. The cool taste of summer will come immediately. Which one do you like best? Try one of these tips today, and if you have a better one, let me know. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more great kitchen tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.